I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not block me.
With a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now.
I'm instructing you.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct
that
me
if
nothing.
you interfere,
I'm not talking to her.
I'm not
talking to her.
Have
you heard me talk to her?
A senior officer accuses an independent auditor of meddling with a female colleague's duties, but the footage paints a completely different picture. In reality, the auditor keeps his attention solely on the sergeant and never interacts with her at all. This type of claim often surfaces when there's no legitimate reason to escalate an encounter, yet someone still wants to create one. Distorting events to target a person who's lawfully filming isn't just careless, it speaks to a deeper unease some officers have with being held to public scrutiny, and here, it's not an inexperienced rookie making the claim, it's a sergeant, a figure expected to model restraint and professionalism. Instead, he takes a calm, lawful moment and turns it into needless confrontation, all without a valid cause.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I? Don't lie. You're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said you tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me.
I asked you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a defaced the union flag. We'll get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me.
You're on the public pavement.
I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it. Get your car out.
The conversation quickly veers into the unusual when the officer suggests the auditor poses a security threat merely for filming officers entering and exiting the station. That's the point where common sense seems to exit as well. The auditor, composed and assertive, reminds everyone he's standing on public pavement with a clear legal right to record. Then comes a statement from the sergeant that stops you in your tracks. You're obstructing, but obstructing what? The auditor hasn't moved. He's simply on a walkway. Meanwhile, the real obstruction is hard to miss. A police car with its door wide open, sticking into traffic. It's the sort of irony that would be comedic if it didn't raise serious concerns about judgment and priorities.
The car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me
what,
alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
Sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
As what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
it's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does. Sir.
What's the crime?
The sergeant doubles down, saying he can seize the auditor's phone under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. But when pressed for the alleged crime behind that power, he has nothing concrete to offer. The law is clear: officers must have reasonable grounds to believe an offense has occurred, and that the property in question contains relevant evidence. Filming in a public space, even near police facilities, doesn't meet that standard. This isn't a minor misstep, it's a misuse of legal authority. Throwing around terms like pace may sound authoritative, but without an actual offense, it's empty talk. No statute was breached, no investigation underway, just a citizen with a camera, standing in a lawful spot. And without lawful grounds, an officer has no right to seize personal equipment.
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
and I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why?
Under the
What
police
crime is it?
evidence
What crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're
What do you want?
evidence
What do you want?
then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Oh, of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor points out that officers are supposed to state when they're recording, the response is a dismissive. It's policy, not law. That reply sidesteps the bigger issue. While policy may not carry the weight of legislation, it's far from meaningless. These rules are designed to uphold professionalism and maintain public trust. Ignoring them erodes both. In this instance, the policy also supports compliance with data protection standards, which exist to safeguard personal privacy. So when an officer records without giving notice, particularly in an official capacity, it raises legitimate concerns about transparency, trust, and lawful handling of information.
On your way, move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah, I think so.
Called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing.
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body wants cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Speak to me, talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming. Personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his car.
At one point, an officer incorrectly tells her colleague that the auditor had been filming the sergeant entering and exiting his car. In truth, the sergeant had only just arrived on the scene. The footage shows clearly. He stepped out, approached the auditor, and initiated the escalation himself. The auditor, for his part, remained within his rights the entire time, filming from a public space. This false statement reframes the auditor's actions to imply tracking or harassment on implication, completely unsupported by the facts. Such distortions don't just mislead, they open the door to unwarranted enforcement actions. And in this case, the auditor was absolutely justified in challenging the narrative.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
You have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse the rules and laws.
In front of his peers, the sergeant claims concern for his safety under the Terrorism Act because the auditor might have captured his vehicle's license plate. The reality? Plates visible on public roads aren't protected, and photographing them is entirely legal. There's no link, direct or indirect, to terrorism here. The only thing at play is personal discomfort. That's not the purpose of counterterrorism powers. Section 43 of the Act authorizes searches solely where there's a genuine suspicion of terrorist involvement. Standing on a sidewalk with a camera falls miles short of that legal threshold. Invoking such laws without cause risks undermining their legitimacy.
What's the purpose of your visit today here, sir?
She's wearing a defaced Union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented, that she shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you. No. So I can call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of your visit?
Can I call him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
The standoff ends when the sergeant, visibly short on arguments, gets back in his vehicle and drives away, his earlier certainty replaced by a quiet retreat. But what happened before that matters. A senior officer, representing the standards of the force, opened with immediate hostility, no measured questions, no verification of facts. In the space of a few minutes, he alleged interference, obstruction, and even cited the Terrorism Act, all in response to a person filming on public ground, an activity firmly protected by law. When challenged, he threatened to seize the auditor's phone without naming a single actual offense. He even implied that filming his license plate was a security breach, an idea well outside the boundaries of the law. A colleague added to the confusion, dismissing the importance of body camera notification as policy, not law, ignoring the role such policies play in accountability. She also gave the sergeant false information about what the auditor had filmed, contradicting the video evidence. What we saw was not the product of extreme stress or dangerous conditions, it was a breakdown in judgment, leadership, and adherence to professional standards. This incident underlines why public oversight matters. The auditor remained calm, stood on his rights, and let the unedited footage tell the truth. And in doing so, he revealed a larger issue. When authority is misunderstood or misapplied, it is both the right and the duty of the public to challenge it. That's where we'll leave it for today. If you found this breakdown informative, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can also check out Yardley's ski auditing link in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Rate the Audit. See you next time.